Alright, what I'm doing here is, what I'm trying to do here is, get the USB hooked up. Batteries went dead. That's kind of done. But you know what? Let me just do, oops, what I gotta do here. Boom. Waiting for the batteries to charge. Get some of this out of the way. Alright, that was a smart move. Alright, let me do this again. Actually, do I need to do that? Let me see. Yeah, I should. I don't need to, but I should. Yeah, I think we're doing right. I think we're doing it all. The USB that I'm using here is going to be for the cameras, but it's a 5 volt 1 amp, 5 volt 2.7 amp, so there's two different amperes. The only the amps, the only thing the amps do for you is to, I might be able to use that, is that it'll help charge it faster, and if some things draw a little bit more amperage than another, it'll give you that extra advantage to where you can actually run it, as well as, what was I just saying, as well as charge at the same time. For instance, if my camera over there takes 2 amps, well, 1 amp will just charge it over time, a little bit slower. But, there you go. It may run it, but it's not going to run it the way that it needs to be run. Okay. Now, I don't want to just cut this. I want to wait to give myself an idea. Because I don't want to have 2 short ends when I can have 1 medium-sized length. That's going to go up there. I'll get myself some extra room. I need from here to there. Keep it off it. And I'm going to need to come down to about here. Well, guess what? That's not I need at all. Alright. Well, maybe not. Let's try this one more time. Okay, so I'm going to come up to about there. So they're going to come across from here to there to there. And I'm going to come down from there to there. Yeah, that's what I'm going to have left. Okay. So for now, I am just going to get it up out of the way. I'll try to get it up out of the way. Okay. Just want to keep a little tension on it so it doesn't drop. I know it's there. I want to make sure that doesn't fall because the wife won't know it's here. And for now, I'm just going to put the clips on it. I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a minute. Just stick that on there. There. I want to make sure I got voltage, and then I want to make sure that I have. Now we're going to go over here. What I had done was I ran both black wire. I did put this end, a red mark, and a red end on it to show it. That's red. Alright, I have it right. Alright, a 50-50 chance. Yeah. 50-50 chance, now I got it right. Left arm will do the report. Sorry guys. There. Okay. This was a great little meter. Ron, Wally 66, did a video on this. It's like 10 or 12 bucks. What a good meter. I'm sorry I didn't order 2 or 3 of them. It really is. It's a good meter. Alright, I need a little clock. And I gotta heat my coffee. And my oatmeal. I gotta see if I can find it again. For the same price. a good little meter for the money. And I was keeping this one in my truck. But I find that I like using it in here as well. Now I have the Fluke that I use in here. The Fluke, which is a good meter. But this one here is really not bad for the money. I was really surprised. Right, I want to mark this side of the wire as well, so I know I don't have to go through this again. And we'll do it one more time down here. There. Alright, well anyway, and I forgot, to be honest with you, the wife had just asked, here, let me show you what I did. The wife just asked a few minutes ago, I don't know if the camera's running or not because the battery went dead. See, now I got a USB plug here. This wire, I will staple it up when I'm done and down, and it'll attach to this in the back side because, or right here maybe, I don't care where. This is all 12 volt stud, banana plugs, lighter plug, and then another set of studs. And that ties right into the battery pack that's over there. That's charged off the solar panel. So now I can just plug the cameras in, and I got a couple of the charging cables. Usually I keep one of the cameras right here, so now I can just keep it there, charge it, and if it's the 360 degree or 360, you know, you can see mostly everything except for the post. And if I get a long enough cable, if I wanted to, I can just bring it and put it anywhere I want. So, but at that point, that's where we're at, guys. So, I see. There. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm plugged in there, plugged into here, so that should be charging up right now. I got to go around the other side to make sure, because it does have a little light on it to indicate that it's charging. It's got the voltage on it. Yes, it is charging. What I'm going to do now is let it run on charge for a couple of minutes, and then I'll turn it on because it'll probably charge while I'm using it. So I mean, it's not like you don't get enough of me. Okay, this, except for here, is basically done. So, let's work on this and get it out of the way. Gotta drill a hole here. So first things first. Get this out of here. Get this out of here.